Dividend investing is a popular strategy for those seeking a reliable stream of passive income. By purchasing shares in companies that pay dividends, investors can enjoy regular payouts without having to sell their stocks. With the right approach, dividend investing can be a key component of long-term wealth creation. Why dividend investing? Consistent income. Dividend stocks provide regular payments, often quarterly, making them attractive to those seeking stable income, especially retirees. Compounding growth. By reinvesting dividends, investors can benefit from compound interest, allowing their wealth to grow exponentially over time. Financial stability. Dividend-paying companies are usually well-established, financially stable, and have a track record of success, making them a safer investment option. Hedge against market volatility. Dividend income can help offset losses during market downturns, providing a cushion when stock prices are falling. Factors to consider when choosing dividend stocks. Dividend yield. This is the annual dividend payment divided by the stock price. A high yield can be attractive but may also indicate higher risk, so aim for a balance between yield and stability. Dividend growth. Companies that consistently increase their dividends show strong financial health and a commitment to returning value to shareholders. Payout ratio. This measures the percentage of earnings paid out as dividends. A lower payout ratio suggests a company has room to grow its dividend. Industry stability. Look for companies in industries that are less sensitive to economic cycles, like utilities, consumer staples, or healthcare. Best dividend stocks for 2024: Johnson & Johnson J&J. Dividend yield, approximately 3%. Why invest? Johnson & Johnson is a healthcare giant with a 60-year history of increasing dividends. Its diversified business model makes it a stable choice for dividend investors. Procter & Gamble PG, dividend yield, approximately 2.5%. Why invest? A consumer staples behemoth, P&G has been increasing its dividend for over 60 years. Its steady cash flow from everyday products ensures reliable payouts. PepsiCo Pep, dividend yield, approximately 2.7%. Why invest? A leader in beverages and snacks, PepsiCo has a robust global presence. Its consistent dividend growth and defensive business make it ideal for long-term investors. NextEra Energy NA, dividend yield, approximately 2.6%. Why invest? As a leading clean energy company, NextEra Energy offers both growth and stability. Its commitment to sustainability and dividend growth make it a strong pick. Coca-Cola Co. Dividend yield, approximately 3.2%. Why invest? Coca-Cola is a classic dividend stock with a long history of payouts. It continues to be a favorite for income investors due to its global brand recognition and steady revenue stream. Realty Income Corporation O. Dividend yield, approximately 4.5%. Why invest? Known as the monthly dividend company, Realty Income is a real estate investment trust REIT that pays monthly dividends, providing consistent cash flow from a diverse portfolio of properties. 3MMN, dividend yield, approximately 5.7%. Why invest? Despite recent challenges, 3M's long history of dividends and diversified business across industrial, healthcare, and consumer segments make it a compelling high-yield option for 2024. Strategies for maximizing dividend income in 2024. Diversify your portfolio. Don't rely on one industry or stock. Spread your investments across various sectors to reduce risk and ensure consistent income even during economic downturns. Reinvest dividends. Use a dividend reinvestment plan DRIP to automatically reinvest dividends back into purchasing more shares. This allows for compound growth over time. Focus on dividend aristocrats. These are companies that have consistently raised their dividends for 25+ years. They often represent the gold standard in dividend reliability. Monitor payout ratios. A payout ratio below 60% is generally considered safe. High payout ratios might indicate financial stress, leading to possible dividend cuts in the future. Final thoughts. Dividend investing is one of the best strategies for generating passive income, especially in times of market volatility. By choosing high-quality dividend stocks, you can enjoy consistent payouts and grow your portfolio over time. As we look ahead to 2024, the stocks listed above offer a blend of stability, growth potential, and reliable income streams that are ideal for dividend investors.